Guys, it's Mike. Went to my fireworks stand again. Got another fireworks stash to show you. I've already broke what I've broken down what I've got, but I'll show you anyway. I got a 4-pack of these bullwhips. They're really good. They're very good hard hitters. And I got a single one that was given to me, but that was in my first stash. I got these Red Rhino rockets. We call it Some Gold. I heard they're very good hard hitters. I got a brick of ground balloons, just regular ground balloons, because I always like have a bunch of those. Because sometimes during the off season, I like to set these off. I got some disco flashers. You've seen these Roman candles. I got a box of these Outlaw Busters by Texas Outlaw. I got a whole box of these Red Rhino Zingers, 24 of 6. I got 24 packs of those. I got a box of smoke bombs. There's 12 packs of 6. I went to Louisiana and got some Whistling Moon Travelers. Now I did get a bunch, so this I say it's total over $100, but yes, last night I spent over $59. So you know, the brick of ground blooms were $8. A box of the zips were like $12. The rockets were 10. The bullwhips were 10. I have over at least over $100 worth. I mean, you've seen those Roman candles, and you've seen the ones that had at the bottom. But yeah, y'all have a safe 4th of July. Alright, peace out.